So I found this carbon fiber hood in LA and it needed some work. The owner of it was generous enough to hold it for me. I then planned a trip to LA to visit my friend and go BMXing and get a carbon fiber hood out of the process. Super fun, and now I have to fix it. So believe it or not, this is my first time working with carbon. My brother just showed me how to work with fiberglass, and I figured it was close enough to working with carbon, so I kind of just went for it. I sent it. For this carbon repair, I had to lay down quite a few pieces of fiberglass. And another piece of fiberglass. So with the hardener and the resin, you want to mix it until you start to see bubbles, and then you know it's been activated. For this next step, I laid down the carbon fiber fabric and I put a clamp and I cut it to length. To ease the process along, I also laid down some 3M adhesive spray just to set the carbon and get a good outlook of what it was going to be like.
Shit! Man, this is a lot harder than fiberglass.